Most HVAC companies are great at fixing systems. But the real problem is this. When homeowners search for AC repair near me, HVAC service, or emergency cooling repair, your company may not be the one they find first. And if they do find you, your website needs to turn that visit into a phone call. Because in the HVAC business, every missed call can mean a missed job. That is where Click4Corp helps. We help HVAC companies get seen by the right customers through website design, local SEO, Google Ads, and digital marketing strategies built to generate real service calls. Our goal is simple. Help your business show up when people are searching, make your company look professional online, and turn more visitors into booked appointments. With summer 2026 right around the corner, now is the time to prepare before the busy season hits. Click4Corp has worked with over 2,000 clients nationwide, helping businesses improve their online presence and attract more customers. If you want to see where your HVAC company stands online, call 469-441-4678 or visit click4corp.com for a free local SEO report. Get found. Get more calls. Grow with Click4Corp.